Hello, this is Professor Sanjay Gupta, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Systek R, Bhopal. In this lecture, we are going to cover Introduction to Boundary Layer Theory, Basic Definitions, and Boundary Layer Thickness. Introduction to Boundary Layer. When a real fluid will flow over a solid body or a solid wall, the particles of fluid will adhere to the boundary and there will be the condition of no slip. If we assume that boundary is stationary or velocity of boundary is zero, then the velocity of fluid particles very close to the boundary will also have zero velocity. If we move away from the boundary, the velocity of fluid particles will also be increasing. Velocity of fluid particles will be changing from zero at the surface of a stationary boundary to the free stream velocity capital U of the fluid in direction normal to the boundary. Therefore, there will be presence of velocity gradient that du upon dy due to variation of velocity of fluid particles. Since and the theory dealing with the problem of boundary layer flows will be termed as a boundary layer theory. It depends on the two regions. The first regions, which is mostly depends on the Newton's law of viscosity, that is shear stress tau equal to mu du upon dy. Mu, that is dynamic viscosity, and du upon dy, that is the velocity gradient. The second region will be region outside of the boundary layer. Velocity of the fluid particle will be constant outside the boundary layer and will be similar with the free stream velocity. In this region, the no velocity gradient and therefore no shear stress exerted by the fluid over the wall beyond the boundary layer. There are some basic definitions. That the first one, laminar boundary layer, turbulent boundary layer. Laminar boundary layer, which mostly depends on the Reynolds number. The Reynolds number Reynolds number Re equal to U into x upon nu. Capital U is equal to free stream velocity, small x equal lead distance from leading edge, and nu, that is kinematic viscosity. If the value of Reynolds number less than or equal to 5 into 10 to the power 5 is called laminar boundary layer, and if more than is called turbulent boundary layer. In this figure, point A is called leading edge, point D is called trailing edge. The profile AE, that is a parabolic profile, is called laminar boundary layer, and profile FG, that is turbulent boundary layer, which logarithmic. Between laminar and turbulent is called transition layer, and BC, that is transition zone. Boundary layer thickness. Boundary thickness is basically defined as the distance from the surface of the solid body measured in the bidirection up to a point where the velocity of flow is 0.99 times of the free stream velocity of the fluid. Boundary layer thickness is denoted by delta. For laminar and turbulent zone, it is denoted by delta laminar, delta turbulent, and delta dash for laminar sublayer. Displacement thickness is defined as the distance measured perpendicular to the boundary of the solid body by which the free stream will be displaced due to the formation of boundary layers. It is denoted by delta star equal to integration of 0 to delta 1 minus small u upon capital U into dy. Momentum thickness is basically defined as the distance measured perpendicular to the boundary of the solid body by which the boundary should be displaced to compensate for the reduction in momentum of the flowing fluid on account of boundary layer formation. It is denoted by theta, and theta equal to integration of 0 to delta small u upon capital U 1 minus small u upon capital U into dy. Energy thickness is basically defined as the distance measured perpendicular to the boundary of the solid body by which the boundary should be displaced to compensate for the reduction in kinetic energy of the fluid on account of boundary layer formation, which is denoted by delta double star equal to integration of 0 to delta small u upon capital U into 1 minus small u square upon capital U square into dy. The last topic is application of boundary layer. Boundary layer is mostly applicable in aerodynamic, hydrodynamic, transportation, wind engineering, and ocean engineering. And for next topic, we we will discuss about the numericals about the displacement thickness, momentum, and energy thickness. Thank you.